Flavors from Nikki's Kitchen. So in today's episode, I am sharing the recipe of mutton haryali or pudina mutton. This is one of the most demanded recipe and it is very easy to make. So before starting the recipe, if you guys have still not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do subscribe to enjoy more such wonderful videos. Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Now let's take a look at the recipe. Here I have taken 375 grams of mutton. So I have washed the mutton nicely. Okay, so now let's start marinating it. So I am just going to shape this mutton pieces in this bowl. So now in this first goes in 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, followed by a juice from half a lemon, some salt to taste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And just make sure your hands are clean and let's marinate everything nicely. Well, now I have marinated this mutton nicely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this mutton with a plate and we are going to allow it to rest for about 15 minutes. Okay, so now it has been 15 minutes. So now let's take our mutton. Perfect. So now our mutton has rested nicely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer the mutton into pressure cooker and I'm going to pressure cooker it for about 15 to 20 whistles. So now I am adding just about half a cup of water. Now I am going to transfer this mutton. In this I am going to add just about a teaspoon of oil. Perfect. And now let's close the lid. Okay, so now let's pressure cook it for about 15 to 20 whistles on a medium to high flame. Well, our mutton is getting cooked, so let's make the haryali chutney required for this mutton. So I am taking a blender jar. In the blender jar, first I am going to add about 1 cup of freshly chopped coriander leaves. One cup of mint leaves, 2 to 3 green chilies, and followed by half a cup of water. Okay, so now let's blend it. Okay, so now let's take it out. Now let's start our preparation for haryali mutton or pudina mutton. So for that, here in this pan I have heated about 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is nicely hot, let's add half a cinnamon stick followed by 2 pieces of black cardamom or badi elaichi and just saute it for about 20 seconds. Okay, so when the spices turn about golden brown, I am going to add about 2 cups of onions sliced. And now you would notice the onion has started to be little pinkish. Okay. To this now let's add about 1 tablespoon of garam masala, followed by 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and mix it nicely. And to this I am going to add the boiled mutton. So I am adding this mutton along with its stock because all the nutrients are there in this. And now let's mix everything. Okay, so I have mixed everything nicely. To this now let's add about 3 tablespoons of curd and the chutney which we had made, the green chutney which we had made. Awesome. And now let's just mix everything nicely. Okay, so now this is done. So now only if required you can add the salt, but I think I need more salt, that's why I'm adding just about 1 teaspoon of salt to this. So if you feel that you want its consistency to be more thin, so you can add about half a cup of water to it. But I don't like my mutton gravy to be so much thin, so I'm not going to it. Okay, so this is done. Well, now let's cover this pan with a lid, and now we need to cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes on a medium flame. It's smelling so nice, can't wait to open it now. Awesome. So now let's take this. It has got a nice coating of this masala, and you would also notice that the consistency is not thin, so it's perfect. Okay, so this is done. So if you want to add kasuri methi to this recipe, you can please go ahead and add, but I'm really not a great fan of kasuri methi, so I'm not going to add. But now lastly I'm adding lots of finely chopped coriander leaves, so it makes it looks more presentative. Our Haryali mutton is ready. Do let me know your plans, like whether you're planning to make this recipe for lunch or dinner in the comment section below. So this recipe tastes awesome with rice, roti, naan, pulka, whatever you like. If you like this recipe, do give this recipe a big like and do subscribe for more such wonderful videos. See you next time. Till then, enjoy!